In early 2017, Outotec handed over a new paste tailings plant with advanced technologies to one of its customers, and in the process helped them overcome a major challenge. Yara produces fertilizers and phosphoric acid, as well as other industrial chemicals. Like most industrial sites around the world, it has to find solutions to issues of storage, especially when it comes to tailings. The Finnish mine produces 1 million tons of apatite concentrate a year, which creates upwards of 10 million tons of tailings. In the past, the tailings were discharged from the concentrator to a conventional non-thickened tailings storage. However, the company has been pushing for the use of modern technology to change and thoroughly update this process.
Our tailings area was filling up, so it was close to its lifetime. And we had the choices either to build a new tailings pond or to increase the dams or to invest in new technology that would allow us to use the old tailings pond more years.
Not wanting to go the route of creating a new tailings pond and expanding the footprint of the facility, the company turned to a trusted partner.
There are few companies in the world that can supply this kind of technology that we were looking for, and who had also track record in these supplying this kind of plants. We choose Outotec because of they have good technology.
In 2006, Outotec became involved in initial test work at the site, and in 2012 installed and commissioned a 14-meter high compressor thickener pilot plant. The aim was to develop and prove the conceptual design, as well as investigate pumping and depositing of the tailings. The tests finished in 2014, and the following year Outotec was awarded a €40 million EPC contract for the full-scale paste thickening plant.
Prosessin päähaasteena taisin sanoa olevan löytää oikea menetelmä, kuinka pastaa voidaan tehdä tällaisesta malmista, mitä meillä täällä Siilinjärvellä on.
The tailings material is coarse, but also contains a high proportion of mica and a fine fraction, creating problems within the mixing tanks, thickeners and pipelines, with blockages easily occurring.
Meillä on paljon flokopiittiä tuossa malmissa, joka luo omanlaisensa haasteen. Ja tätä me testattiin pilotlaitoksella ja tätä kautta löydettiin oikeanlainen sakeutin ja oikeanlainen pumppaus, oikeanlaiset pumput laitokselle. Ja sitä kautta pystyttiin varmistamaan, että ylipäätänsä tämän tyyppistä malmia pystytään vastaläjittämään.
The new high-density tailings disposal system now in place is able to increase the overall percentage of solids in the slurry, which has a significant impact on how it can be stored.
Vastalaitoksen kriteerinä oli korkea käyntiaste ja rikastushiekkan kiintoainepitoisuuden nosto 69%. Ja lisäksi läjityskulman nostaminen useammalla prosenttiyksiköllä.
In fact, projections suggest a potential beach angle of 4 degrees, meaning the material is so thick that it forms piles. Higher density tailings also minimizes any chance of leaks and seepage from the storage area, improving safety. Meanwhile, water used in the process is stored in a pond, to be reclaimed and reused at a later time. The project brought with it plenty of challenges that Outotec and Yara had to overcome.
We have had some tough times during this project, which is happening in all projects, nothing new in that one. But we were able to solve even the difficult problems in a cooperative way. And I have to give credit also to Outotec's good safety performance and safety attitude during the project.
With the new plant now operational, the impact for Yara is far-reaching, as well as for the local community.
Siilinjärvi mine can continue operation until the end of its lifetime, which is today, 2035. And for the Siilinjärvi town, it means that there are around 800 jobs still existing here for the years to come.